In today's video, I will walk you through how to create and send an invoice with Square. Once you're signed into your web-based Square, go directly to Orders and Payments and look for Invoices. Click on Create Invoice function to send an invoice. You'll see the options for a single invoice, a batch invoice, or a recurring invoice. For this example, choose a single invoice. Next, add a customer. Enter the customer's first name, last name, and email address. You'll also have the option to leave a title on the invoice. In this case, use your purchase. You can also add a service date, an invoice ID, or a body message if needed. After that, pull in an item. Select a classic tee, for example. You'll see how many available variations the item has. After choosing a variation, you can also add a note for the client about the item, although there is already an item description included with detailed information. Once that's set, save the item. Now adjust the quantity. You can sell a single item or increase the quantity as needed. If the quantity is too high, Square Invoices will let you know if you are overselling your current inventory. Lower the quantity until the overselling flag disappears. In this example, set the quantity to 5, bringing the total to $180. Next, decide when you would like the invoice to be sent. Choose to send it now, then set the due date for 7 days later. After that, choose the payment methods the client can use. Enable all available payment methods, including card payments, bank transfer, Cash App Pay, Afterpay, and gift cards. Then move on to the reminders section. Set reminders so the client is automatically notified about the outstanding invoice after it has been sent. The available reminders will automatically reach out to the client based on the settings you select. Before sending the invoice, review everything. Confirm that the client information is correct, the invoice title is set, and the line items are accurate. You'll also have the option to apply a discount, but for this example, leave the total at $180. Double-check the payment methods and due date as well. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and select Send. The invoice will now be sent to the customer automatically. It will include all of the invoice details along with the available payment methods you selected. The customer can pay using any of those options directly from the invoice. If the customer later decides to pay with cash or check in person, simply select Mark as paid and choose the correct payment method to complete the invoice. Thank you for watching.